Hi, Sophie here. I'm so excited. I'm holding my brand new Sophie's Picks beauty box of the season that is coming out any minute. Let's take a walkthrough of what's in this season's box. So here's the box, ta-ta, and I'm going to walk you through every product in the box so you know exactly what you're going to get. But before I do that, I just want to give you the heads up that it's going on sale very soon. I can't tell you exactly when, but it's very soon, and I highly recommend that you click on the link in the description to this video and get on that waiting list, because as most of you know, these sell out and they sell out fast. Okay, let's dive in. Now, the first product is, this is such an amazing product. This little guy here is something that I found recently at IBE, which is the Indie Beauty Expo in LA. And I was on the lookout for a super duper green, like deep green product. What's the most eco-friendly product that I can find at this expo? And this, my friends, is it. It is called Pogo Lips. And it is basically the very last chapstick container applicator that you will ever buy. This is it. This will last you forever. And they're really, really pretty, these applicators. And why it is so green, and I was actually completely blown away by Pogo Lips, this company, and I met the owner, is because everything is made from post-consumer plastics, basically ocean-bound plastics. So what this means is that most of our plastics that we just throw away make their way to the ocean, they're ocean-bound, and most of them will end up in this terrible ocean, sort of island of plastic called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. So these guys from Pogo Lips really wanted to do something about that. They wanted to make a difference, and they've made a difference with a beauty product, a personal care product that is so sophisticated, and I want to show you why. So basically, you're going to get this beautiful applicator, and they come in different styles and designs. And then in your box, you're going to get the applicator, and you are going to get 2 of the little refills. Now, the refills come in lots of different flavors, so you can get mint or berry or peach, and they're all absolutely delicious smelling and tasting if you haven't happened to lick a little bit off your lips. Completely eco-friendly, green, non-toxic formulation. And you just pop in your refill and you're good to go. And even the refills, everything is made from this post-consumer ocean bound plastic. So this is cradle to grave, dark green living. I want to actually show you close up how this works. Here's the applicator. And you're just going to unscrew the top, and you can see there that there is a little place there for the replacement. This is how the replacement comes. We're just going to remove the top there, like so. And this is how simple it is. We're just going to pop that in, like so. We're going to screw it in to make sure that it's in there nice and tight, and voila, there you have it. There's your beautiful chapstick, your lip balm, and we're going to replace that. And of course, that you have for the rest of your life. And these, I don't know, you may have to replace maybe 30 times during your life. But that's it. How genius is that? Isn't that the most unique product that you've ever seen? We are obsessed. My daughter, obsessed. Her friends, obsessed. Everybody on this planet needs to own a Pogo Lips. And you, my friends, in this box are going to be the proud owner of this brand new to market product. I'm so excited. Next up in the box, oh my gosh, you're going to love this. I have masks. But let me tell you, so I also found these at IBE. Now, sheet masks, they've sort of had their day. They're made of paper. They can get a little bit messy. So these masks by a Korean brand actually called Wen really caught my interest. Now, this is Gorgeously Green's first foray into Korean beauty, which is so fascinating. I'm dying to go to Korea now because I'm beginning to see some of the innovation in terms of beauty that's coming out of Korea. So Wen takes innovation to the next level as far as masks are concerned, and not just face masks, my friends, because the first one that you're going to get in your box is the Youth Recharger for your neck. So it is a neck mask. It's absolutely brilliant. What you do is you wear it like a big giant necklace around your neck. And what's really great about Wen masks is that they stick really, really well. They've worked on this technology that you slap the mask on and it basically sticks. You leave it on for 30 minutes. So you can put your neck mask on, and let's face it, the neck definitely needs attention after a certain age and is very often neglected. So you put on your neck mask like a necklace, and then you just forget about it. Go about your business in the evening. Nobody needs to know the better. Then you take it off and you're done. So you're getting your Youth Recharger. Next up, we have, this is so hilarious. This actually gave us a bit of a giggle, but it is the Wen Beauty and the Breast Mask. Yes, it is a mask for your breasts. So it helps with, you know, anti-aging and the sort of sag factor and all of that business. And again, it sticks really, really well. I have tried it. My husband and I had such a laugh with this. It just sticks on, so it's very modest and does all of its wonderful regenerating of your skin. And you leave it on for 30 minutes. There's always 30 minutes with Wen masks. And I think that that is genius. And also, may I add, actually quite a brilliant little gift for a wedding shower or something like that, bachelorette party. I think everybody needs to have a Beauty and the Breast mask. And then finally, I wanted to show you their mask, which you're also getting, which is their legendary Wen 10 p.m. mask. Because Wen, they're very considerate about when you want to wear your masks and how you want to, knowing, as this brand does, that, you know, we have to fit these masks into our busy schedules and be able to wear them in a way that we don't have to lie down on a bed covered in towels for an hour. And that's why Wen is so brilliant. So you just slap them on, you stick it on your face, your neck, or your breasts, and it sticks, so you don't have to worry about it slipping off. You leave it for 30 minutes and you're done and done. Now, this is made out of premium biocellulose, so it's great, no paper, eco-friendly because of that, and it's actually made out of coconut material, and as I said, completely biodegradable. So Wen, very interesting company. You know, to me, the brand is in the sort of light green category in terms of ingredients, but absolutely A1 in terms of innovation. Now, Bogavia is a huge favorite of mine. All of Bogavia products, and those of you who have followed me for a while will know that I am a big, big fangirl of Alison, who is the brains and the beauty behind Bogavia, but all of her outstanding in quality products. And you get in this beauty box, Sophie Spokes beauty box, a full size of her, it's almost got a cult following here in LA, of her Elasticity facial oil. It is formulated with pomegranate seed oil, which is so rich in vitamin C, and there's green tea, there's sea kelp, there's chlorella. This is an elasticity face oil that I think every single person needs to own. All right, what else have we got in here? Oh, let's pivot to stress relief. So this is a brand called Lucky Naturals. This I have to hide from my daughter because she's obsessed with bath soaks. We all are, actually. What would life be without a bath soak? So this is magnesium sulfate bath salt, so deeply, deeply relaxing for tired, sore muscles, post-workout. If you're just feeling a little bit achy, a little bit off, please treat yourself. It's one of the most important self-care things you can do to a beautiful hot bath. And what I I absolutely love about Lucky Naturals is the scent of their bath soaks are off the charts. You're all going to get a different one. They have lots of different scents. This one I'm holding now is mango and guava. So beautiful. And also the packaging is just so pretty as well. Absolutely love. You're going to just be so thankful you got that. Now let's move on to, again, pivoting from outer beauty and relaxation into inner beauty. Now, so many of you ask me about inner beauty powders. Ingestible beauty is such a massive trend right now. So I am thrilled to present another brand that I absolutely love, Pacifica. They have lots of beautiful products in the skincare and the makeup vertical, but this is their first ingestible product, and it is their beauty powder, and it is called Slay All Day. So you're getting a full-size jar of this delicious beauty powder. This one is less stress, more hustle. So it's got the adaptogens in it, such as ashwagandha, it's delicious pineapple, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Because why it's a beauty powder is we don't just put hyaluronic acid on the outside of our skin topically, but we also need to ingest it too, particularly as we get older. Because like most good things within our body, it sort of lessens the production as we age, and that's why Pacifica have absolutely come up with this brilliant idea. You're all going to get a different flavor. There's different flavors in your different boxes, so you'll get a surprise. Talking about hyaluronic acid, let's move on to Viva Serum. Viva is a completely natural and outstanding brand in terms of quality. So they are giving you a full size of their pure hyaluronic acid serum, completely plant-based. What that actually does is it attracts moisture to your skin and holds it into your skin, binds it. It's known as a humectant. So isn't this genius? You're going to get hyaluronic acid from the inside and the out, all in this one Sophie's Picks beauty box. Now, let's talk about inner beauty while we're still on that subject with another product that I've got here. This is by Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty have just launched their brand new prebiotics line. So this is a line that addresses both skin and inner beauty. But the inner beauty is a little sachet that you can take. I believe you have a little sample in this box, which is delicious. You just add to water, berry flavored, absolutely delicious. Pro and prebiotics, both are really important. But you're also going to get a little, a small bottle of their prebiotics gel, which is very quickly absorbed. Most of you will actually fall in love with it, particularly if you have oily skin, because it's instantly absorbed, leaves your skin feeling absolutely lovely. Also, Juice Beauty, as you know, completely organic, another absolute fave of mine, are giving us their organic lip moisturizer. And this is a lip moisturizer that will sort of keep your lips moisturized all day long, but I just want to show you right here, it comes in this little handy tube, which I love, a little tube in my makeup bag before I apply my lipstick. It's actually, I would almost say that it is the perfect under lipstick moisturizer. Okay, now talking of makeup and getting rid of the lipstick and the makeup and the eye makeup, I love a makeup removing wipe. I really do. I like to do a makeup removing wipe before I get into my double cleansing ritual that I've shared with so many of you, because you know, the really sort of tough thing for me to remove is eye makeup and even lipstick if you're wearing those really long-lasting lipsticks. So this is a brand called C'est Moi, a makeup brand, and how brilliant that a makeup brand would come out with a line of makeup removing wipes that they know do the job. So they filled a need for their brand and a need for us. Okay, now let's go on to Go Pure. As you can see, I'm just so excited about this particular box because it honestly has all of my very favorite, sort of out of my top 20 brands, I'd say these are all in here. Now, Go Pure is a wonderful brand, budget friendly, but doesn't cut in terms of quality of anti-aging ingredients. They're known for their potent anti-aging ingredients packaged or formulated without any of the junk fillers or stuff that we don't need, and it's priced appropriately. Now this is new to me and probably new to you. It's their enzyme mask. So it's a glycolic mask, but what is unique about this particular mask is that it's gentle enough that you can use it every single day. What they actually recommend is if you have dry and mature skin, such as mine, you would use it every single day, ideally in the morning after cleansing. Then you rinse it off and your skin is glowing and ready for you to apply your other products. And if you have oily skin, once or twice a week. So my friends, we have one more product that I want to show you. Now this is by Seaside Medical. Now, Seaside Medical is actually a physician-based, it's dermatologists who have created these products, and they have a proprietary ingredient that nobody else has in their product, which is called Matrix B. And Matrix B actually heals your skin. It regenerates your skin from injuries, burns, rashes, anything where you feel that your skin is injured or hurt or bruised, post-surgery perhaps. This is a product that you absolutely need. And they have a lot of other really great products in their line. They're local here to me in Los Angeles, and they are just wonderful. This is called the Post-Traumatic Response Gel. So you would use it in place maybe of arnica even, or with arnica, but you could use it in place of arnica for quicker results. So that concludes my walkthrough of what I consider to be an absolutely awesome Sophie's Picks beauty box. I couldn't be more excited, and I'm just going to say one more time, because don't say I didn't warn you, that these go, and they go really, really quickly. We normally sell out within a couple of hours because the value of the box is well over $200, and you are getting it for $59.99 plus shipping and handling. So just two of these products would, or one even, but certainly two of these products is more than the value, way more than the value of this entire box. And that's why they sell out so quickly with these beautiful green, eco-friendly products that every single one of you are going to go bananas over. And you know what? I think I'm going to go off right now and apply my breast mask. Just saying. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.